Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Today, our topic name is calculation with decimals. In last class, we completed 15.2b from page number 132. So, today we are going to start 15.2c from page number 133. So, what is the question number 1? Marco goes shopping for food. A list of the items and their prices is given. These are the prices given. So, calculate the total amount Marco had to pay. Total amount. So you have to understand first of all $1 equal to 100 cents. So if it's 63 cents, so whenever if you want to convert from dollar to cents, from dollar to cents, multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. From cents to dollar, you have to divide it by 100. Divided by 100. So 63 cents means 63 divided by 100. Whenever if you divide, you know that we learned in the first chapter 1, the first term, when you divide, the decimal moves two places to the left. So here is the decimal if you not have. So 1 and 2. So here is the decimal. So 0.63 cents. So like this way I wrote all things. So $1.25, $2.18, 87 cents means it is 0.87. So you got is 0.42. So when I add, the answer is 5.35. Then he paid with $10 note. Calculate the change he received. So $10 minus 5.35. So 0 minus 5 not possible. So 10, here is the 9, here also 9, and here is 0. You know that why? Because whenever if I want to carry, the beside number is 0, so it's not possible to carry from here. So I should carry from the last number. So this 1 changes to 0, this 0 changes to 10. Then after that, this 10 changes to 9, and again this 1, this 0 changes to 10. Again after that, this 9, and here will be the 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 5 is 4. Now look at the question number 2. A family of two adults and two children decided to visit a museum for the day. Individual adults ticket cost 19.20. Individual, that means alone, the adult ticket for the alone is 19.20, and an individual ticket, child ticket is 16.70. So calculate the cost of buying the two adult and two children. So now if you check it, for the one adult it will be 19.20. So there are two adults, that means you have to multiply. So if you multiply, the answer is 38.40. And one child is 16.70. If two children, then if you multiply, 34.40. So if I add, the answer is 72.80. 72.80. Okay, 72.80. So now he's asked you to find. Now 72.80 minus $57. So when you calculate, here is the 0. So here is the 8. So 12 minus 7 is 5. Then 6 minus 5 equal to 1. So 15.80. 15.80. Now coming to the question number 3. So a brother and sister are 1.63 meter tall and 94 centimeter tall respectively. I mean, this is the height of the brother and this is the height of the sister. What is the difference between their heights? So in meters. So meters means, you know that again, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So meter to centimeter multiplied by 100. Centimeter meter is divided by 100. So when I divide 94 by 100 is 0.94 meter. So there are 3 minus 4 not possible to subtract. So it's 3 changes to 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. Then 6 changes to 5. Again 5 minus 9 not possible. Again carry. So 15 minus 9 equal to 6. So it is 0.69 meter. But in question number B, ask you to find in centimeters. So 0.69 meter multiplied by 100 is equal to 69 centimeter, because when you multiply, the decimal moves two places to the right. Two places to the right. Now question number 4. Isabel buys two pair of socks. Each one is $3.67 and three pairs of trousers costing 34.49 each. So calculate the total cost of these items. Calculate the total cost of these items. Calculate the total cost of these items. Okay. So now when I calculate the total, so the total answer is 110.81. 110.81. So what is that in the question? Isabel only had $42 in her bank account. Work out by how much she has gone overdrawn. So this is 1 and 8. So 10 minus 2 equal to 8. Again here is a remained 0. So 10 again. 10 minus 4 equal to 6. So $68.81 she has overdrawn. Now number 5. 9 business associates share this much amount from the sale of their company. Calculate to the nearest cent how much they each receive. How much they each receive. So if you divide this number, if you divide by 9, you will get it this answer. So 0.22. That means each one get. So total there are 9 business magnets. So at the end of the profit, each one how much receives. So you have to divide only. That's it. So now the question number 6. A table and 6 chairs are priced this much in a garden center. The table cost is 120.80. So calculate the cost of each chair. So first of all, the total price of cost of a table and 6 chairs is 335. The table cost is 120.80. So first of all, I have to find cost of 6 chairs. When I subtract, I get 214.20. So what is this cost? This is the cost of 6 chairs. But I need to find out each chair cost. So cost of each chair is 214.20 divided by 6. So look at here. 6 3s are 18. So 21 minus 18 is 3. Then 4 carry from up to down. 6 5 are 30 and 4 is here. So 42. 6 7s are 40. So $35.7 for the each chair. So your homework is from the workbook exercise 15.2 question number 3 and 4. I hope you understand today's classwork. If you have any more questions, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.